but both easy and convenient. Step 1.
Hi, I'm Bianca. I've been a part of the Chamberlain's family since 2017 in the hobby corner at Chamberlain's Students Valley. Today, we will be making a macrame shelf bracket using macrame rope, masking tape, a piece of wood, a dowel stick, and a pair of scissors. We're going to start with cutting equal strips of 5 meters of rope. Once you have your rope, you split it into half by placing it like this. Now you take your dowel stick and wrap it around, placing both loops inside. And pull it tight. We're going to secure the dowel stick using strips of masking tape. Now we start the macrame knotting process. It's always important to remember to pull your work tight. Using the outer cords, we will be building a pattern using the spiral knot technique. Consistency is key in ensuring a beautiful pattern. Now that all the knots are done, it's time to assemble the shelf. There you have a macrame shelf. Thank you for watching. For any hobby-related advice, please visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.